All right, so we've got now the games from the second bucket, which is more grade level, at least starting when we're working on Fluency mid-year. This is sums to 10 and a bridge to 10 set of games. So the first game involves two different players. You can roll a dice, and whatever appears on the dice, this is a 3, I'd have to count up to 10 to see what makes 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 is the number that I get to cross out on my board. And then my partner would go and do the same thing. And the first person to cover all of their numbers wins the game. The other side can be used with these digits. And if they need some support, a 10 frame can help. This is called Subtract from 10 Bingo, and you flip over a card, and if I have 10 and I take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I know I have 3 left. So this was a 10 minus 7, and I can put the difference right on the board, and now that's mine, and I can put my initial, JD, and that's where my board is, and our goal is to get 5 in a row. So that's your 10s games. Your bridge to 10, we have a double 10 frame, and the goal for this game is to really start to think about breaking apart numbers to make a 10. Sometimes kids do better if they can actually see it concretely. So I'm going to model this first one, 9 plus 8. So I put 9 cubes on the first 10 frame and 8 on the second. And because I can see that there's 1 left to make a 10, I know that I can really break apart my 8 into a 1 and 7. I used the 9 and a 1 to make a 10, and now my new equation, 7 plus 8 is the same as 10 plus 7, and that's easier to think about and help me know that it's 17. I can also reinforce my thinking by seeing the 10 plus the 7 here, and that's how that works out. Throughout this set, you have multiple ones to work with. This is a scaffolded way because you could actually draw right in the dry erase. And there's an open-ended one where you can make up numbers that are appropriate for the kids, or kids can make their own problems.